is my 2-ingredient chocolate fudge. It's insane. Actually, it's 3 if you count the salt flakes. But these are literally a little bit of magic. And I'm really pleased with how they've turned out. My name is Dominique Ludwig and I'm a nutritionist. So these fudge bars contain 2 ingredients. They're both virtuous. And they're part of my Something Sweet ebook, which is available to download in my link in bio. And what's special about these is they literally taste like truffles, and they're made with literally 2 ingredients, chocolate and another secret ingredient. They're just made with natural ingredients, which means they're going to be good for us as well. If you want to get hold of the recipe, download my Something Sweet recipe book in the link in bio. There's 15 other recipes in there, and they are so fast and easy to make that your kids will love them. You don't need to buy chocolate bars from the supermarket when you have these recipes, whether it's Snickers or Twickers or Bounty or Powerballs or Snickers ice cream you're trying to replicate. I've done it for you. I've taken natural ingredients from the health food store and your supermarket, but I've put them together in a really elegant way so that you have got the most incredible sweet treats that are going to be good for you. They're going to have fiber in them, vitamins, minerals, polyphenols, and be a lot more virtuous than anything you can buy in the supermarket. So once you've downloaded my